Welcome to day 82 of 365 days of R functions by Stats Made Simple. Today, we are learning the within function in R. If you work with data frames and often need to create or modify several variables, within can make your code cleaner and easier to read. So, what exactly does within do? The within function allows you to create new variables or modify existing variables inside a data frame. You can perform multiple operations together without repeatedly writing the name of your data frame. Let's understand this with a simple example. Suppose we have a data frame called df containing student information such as ID, name, age, height, and weight. For example, we have 3 students with their heights measured in centimeters and weights measured in kilograms. Now suppose we want to calculate BMI. We can use within df BMI less than weight, height, 100 squared. Closing curly bracket closing parenthesis. Here, within takes our data frame df and allows us to work directly with its columns. The expression weight, height, 100 squared calculates BMI. We divide height by 100 because the height is originally measured in centimeters, but the BMI formula requires height in meters. The result is stored in a new variable called BMI. Now let's take it one step further. Suppose we also want to create a category based on BMI. We can use if-else, BMI less than 25, normal, high. Here, 2 operations are performed inside the same within block. First, R calculates BMI. Then, it uses if-else to classify each observation. If BMI is less than 25, the category becomes normal. Otherwise, it becomes high. This is particularly useful because we can perform multiple transformations together in a clean and readable way. We can also modify an existing variable, like age plus 1. This increases the age of every student by 1 year. Another useful example is converting height from centimeters to meters, by using height, 100. Now height underscore in underscore m becomes a new column containing height in meters. The important thing to remember is that within returns the modified data frame. If you want to save those changes, assign the result back to your data frame using df less than within. Why is within useful? It is helpful for data cleaning, creating calculated variables, feature engineering, exploratory data analysis, and statistical data preparation. Think of within as a workspace where you can make several changes to a data frame together. The key takeaway is simple. Within lets you create or modify multiple variables inside a data frame in a clean and readable way. If you found this explanation useful, like this short, save it for later, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to Stats Made Simple for the next function in our 365 Days of R function series. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. See you in day 83.